To set up your device, start by opening the App Store on your device and searching for the Owlet Dream app. Install and open the application. Then create an account by tapping the Join button and entering your details, as well as your child's profile details. Next, click on the Add Outlet Device option and select the Dream Shop option. Then click the Get Started button. Plug the base station into the wall. Then click Next. Insert the sock into the base station, as shown in the provided picture. Check if the Wi-Fi light on the back of the base station is on. If it's off, repeat the previous steps until it turns on. Once the Wi-Fi light is on, click the corresponding button. Then press down on the top of the base station and hold until you hear 2 beeps. The device will automatically connect to the base station. Carefully place the Dream Sock on your baby's foot, ensuring a secure fit for accurate readings. You can adjust the size if needed. If an update is available, start the update process. It's also essential to read through the safety information and articles at the top of the app to fully understand the Dream Sock settings. By completing these steps, you will have successfully set up your device.